Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So we're going to be coloring this 613 wig. We're going to first be starting with our Shimmer Light shampoo, then with our honey brown and cinnamon dyes, following our jet black dye. Let's get right into it. So first you're going to go ahead and start with your Shimmer Light shampoo, and we're doing this water dye method of course, but we're going to start with the Shimmer Light shampoo to get rid of some of the 613ish colors. So I pretty much want to tone the wig first. You do want to make sure you also thoroughly mix that shampoo together, and then you're going to go ahead and apply the wig right after. So when toning the wig, I do like to mess with it while it's in the water just to see how much the wig tones and make sure it's toned enough to where I like it to my liking. And pretty much this is pretty much how the wig came out when you first tone it. So I did decide to at least try to tone it one more time, so I am going to take more shampoo and re-dip the wig back into it. So here you're just going to go ahead and repeat the same process. Here's pretty much how the wig came out after toning it. We got rid of the 613 color. So now you're going to go ahead and apply your cinnamon hair dye first, and then afterwards you're going to add a little bit of the honey brown. So you're going to make sure you thoroughly mix the dyes together. Afterwards you're going to go ahead and apply partial of the wig. So I did go ahead and reapply the wig back into the water of dye. I do want to say that I did add a little bit more of the honey brown and then went ahead and reapplied it. So here I'm just showing you guys the brown of the wig. It did come out to my liking. So now we're going to go ahead and take our jet black dye and we're going to apply it to the water, and then you're going to dip the wig, the ends of the wig. So we're just going to go ahead and re-dip the ends of the wig again. Like, it was black to me, but not that black. I felt like it was giving like a blackish dark brown. So I went ahead and re-dip the ends of the wig. How the wig came out with all three colors. It gave it the ombre look, and here I'm just giving you guys a better view. So we have the tone, brown, and jet black. So here's the wig while it's air dried. So right now I'm going to go ahead and get into styling the wig into a part in the middle. So unfortunately, I could not find my wax stick, so I decided to just use freeze spray as a replacement to help flatten the hair down. So here we're just taking the heat protector. After applying this, we are going to go into curling the hair. So now we're getting into curling the hair. I don't remember exactly what curler this is. I had this curler for so long, so I don't remember exactly like where I got it from, but I've had it for years. But I just wanted to do something different and do like wide curls in the hair and see how it came out. So here I'm just showing you guys how I completely curled the wig, and I let the curl sit for about 10 minutes. And then now we're going to be using our Kendra light spray to hold the curls, and then I went ahead and just took the clips out. So I did go ahead and take my flat iron and flat iron the top of the wig. I didn't like how the curler put creases in it, so I did make it straight just a little at the top. So here's pretty much how the wig came out. You have your 613 ombre wig.